The garage is usually a dusty, dirty, catch-all spot in the house where you park the car, store and lawn equipment, and most anything else you don't want to deal with or have in the house. However, most people are overlooking a large amount of space that doesn't have to be dingy and unattractive. Though some may think that coating the garage floor is a frivolous expense, it will actually make a difference in your home and can increase its value. People think concrete is tough and durable, and to some extent it is, but concrete is porous and can harbor dirt and bacteria. It is also a great surface to absorb oil and fluids that can leave stains or even harm the concrete. Because of this, concrete can develop cracks and pitting. Professionally installed epoxy flooring systems will protect the concrete, make it easier to clean, repair cracks and pitting, and aid in avoiding future pitting and cracks. Epoxy, polyera, and polyaspartic floor coating systems are tough and non-absorptive, making cleaning a breeze. Because the coatings are non-absorptive, oils and fluids will not sweep in and stain. Additionally, the surface is easy to clean with a simple sweep or vacuum, and a simple mopping with water should remove any dirt, oils, fluids, or street salt. Concrete coatings with various texture surfaces and anti-slip media options, which are broadcasted into the top coat, provide maximum surface grip performance, making the surface of the garage floor safe and preventing slips and falls. Unsealed, dull, dingy and stained and pitted concrete is not a good look. Concrete coatings aren't just smart for safety and durability, it also looks terrific. There are so many options for colors and styles that will fit about any look you want. The garage won't just look flash with a gorgeous surface, it will look cleaner too. Garages have become more important in the housing market in the last several years. According to Realtor magazine, the rise in demand for garages is directly related to more space and amenities as part of a property. 82% of home buyers agree a garage is an important factor when purchasing a new home. It makes sense to upgrade this area and add some value to the sale. With a concrete garage floor, you are ensuring your flooring will withstand the seasonal changes, the heavy weight of cars, and the impacts of other equipment. The constant driving in and out throughout the winter months, as well as bringing in lawn mowers and other landscape machinery, can affect your garage flooring significantly. With a concrete garage floor, it can hold up much better than any other type of flooring. Thanks for watching. Until next time.